Welcome to the course of Microsoft PowerPoint. We know that Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation-based software used for a lot of purposes. We can say daily use, education, business, presentation, fashion, and a lot of purposes. Okay, so in this lesson, we covered up a lot of things which you will see, and all of them are beginner friendly and also flexible. So the main things we covered are essential tools of Microsoft PowerPoint. You will see that there are a lot of tools in Microsoft PowerPoint, and we covered up almost everything of it. Okay, then what we covered is formatting content. When you place in content, there are a lot of things you need to do, like adding in more content, then formatting them and editing them. We also covered that part. Then we did is basic project presentation building. If you don't know about how to make a presentation, about the structure of it, and how to make professional grade presentation, we also covered that part and got you on that. And at the end, what we did is give you a couple of advanced PowerPoint tips and also tricks which you can use to make your work a lot more easier and build up more ideas. Okay, at the end of this course, you will get familiar with all of the tools in PowerPoint and know how to use it and when to use it. And essentially use PowerPoint in your daily life for multi-purpose and eventually business and professional purposes too. So let's start off with this lesson, and I hope to see you in my lesson.